Namaskar. So today's topic is related to kidneys. You know, kidneys are more important in the body, one of the most important organs in the body. It is situated in the lumbar region, backside, both sides. Two kidneys are there. Kidneys are the most important excretory organs of the body. Its functions are very important. It removes the waste from the body. It maintains the pH of the body, water balance of the body, everything. So it goes without saying that water is the most important element for kidneys, and water element is the element of kidneys. So as I always say, any disease to come, two entities should come into the fray. One is a physical entity, second is the mental entity attributed to that particular disease. So we now go through the physical entities, what we should maintain to maintain or improve kidney health. First and the foremost should be a balanced diet, plenty of good drinking water. If you say exactly 30 to 35 ml per kilogram body weight, that amount of water is essential for a concerned person. Third, green leafy vegetables, especially spinach, broccoli, cabbage. Fourth, good vegetables. Good vegetables, when I say, definitely tomatoes, cucumbers, and all come into the fray. Suddenly, you may be wonderstruck. Doctor is saying tomatoes, and the urologist has told me don't take tomatoes because I have kidney stones. It is a real myth. Tomatoes will not produce renal stones. And in the coming video, as you follow the video, you will know why it is. So, water element is the most important thing for kidneys. So, I advise you to start the day with water. When you get up in the morning, 2 glasses of lukewarm water with full lemon without salt and water should be your first shot of the day. Why? Because water being 70% of the body weight. Second, when you add lemon to it, you are making the body alkaline. And lemon contains citrates. If there are calcium oxalate stones in the kidney, it will be flushed out. And regarding the fruits, most important fruit as far as the kidneys are concerned is the cranberry, which we give for urinary tract infections in the form of the original natural cranberry or as extract of cranberry. Blueberries can be given, pineapple, apple, avocado, everything can be given for good kidney health, because these things lower the creatinine levels. Underline that. It lowers the creatinine levels, which is an indicator of kidney function. So now we have seen the physical entity. As I told, again I am emphasizing, there is a mental entity for any disease. As far as the kidneys are concerned, the mental element involved is fear and anxiety. When a person holds on to fear and anxiety for a long time and his physical entity is disturbed, he is prone to have renal stones, renal problems, everything. Renal problems in the sense, renal damage. So kidney functions can be disturbed in 2 ways, what we classify as acute and chronic. Acute means a sudden shutdown in the kidney function. That can be caused by some conditions like snake bite, after a snake bite. 2, acute infections of the kidney like acute pyelonephritis. Severe dehydration following vomiting and loose motion. But this is only an acute phase. When this condition is treated, the kidney comes back to normal. But when it goes to chronicity, there are 5 stages. As How kidney goes into the chronic state is due to certain morbidities like diabetes, hypertension. Long-standing uncontrolled diabetes, hypertension are the most important causes of kidney failure. And of course, renal stones producing obstruction to the kidney, producing hydronephrosis and damage to the kidney. So the most important mental element, as I said, fear and anxiety. This is the primary attitude that everyone holds on. So, if you are going to a doctor for a renal stone and you are treating small stones with medicines, the other stone with laser and all, again it comes back and you go to the doctor and ask, they put you as habitual stone formers. What is this habitual stone formation? It's because of your state of your mind holding on to a fear and anxiety attitude. For that, holistic medicine comes into the fray. Physical entities all of us can do with the diet, what I have told. Second, the mental entity of fear and anxiety can be erased without affecting the energy level of the kidney so that the kidney goes on to a disease state. I am showing you something. The most important thing, as far as I told in many videos, fear and anxiety, this finger, middle finger, the index finger is the most important thing for fear and anxiety. Hold your index finger, both sides, 10 minutes a day. 1. Second, and I will put it as a photograph in the later part, hold your little left toe and your left hand is put on your pubic bone. This channels the kidney energy, the kidney flow. For God's sake, please, for heaven's sake, please study this and implement in life, because particularly in expatriates where they drink this hard water, most of the patients go on to kidney failure. If you do this, your element of the mental entity is thrown off. That thing is not put on the kidneys to give you a chronic renal failure. So the third one, as I have told in the early videos, putting both the hands on both groins and holding it. While you sleep, you hold it for 10 to 15 minutes. So these three things, if you can do it regularly, plus a good balanced diet and enough good drinking water, your thing will be taken care of. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share and subscribe this video. Be healthy. Dr. Bala signing out.